Hey guys, and I'm going to show you one of my remote control cars, what it's going to do. So yeah, and here's what it does. No, do it over here. It's charging over here.
Let's turn.
The computer!
Well, you can still turn on the flash over there.
Just put it right there. It does it on the carpet.
I can't see it.
What? Oh.
Yeah.
It just flips and spins.
It moves it back a little bit.
Whoops. And that's how my remote control car does. And hey, wanna see my straight back?
Ow!
Sorry.
Nobody doesn't want to see your nappy hair.
So yeah, there's my straight back. And if you want to subscribe, click up there. If you want to see how to do the snake hands, you can click. If you want to see a playlist of videos that I've done so far, click right here. If you want to see some new videos that I'm going to do, I'm not going to make those yet. I'm going to do it tomorrow, Saturday. So yeah, thank you. Oh, and comment down below. It says subscribe, and if you want to see origami, click this button up here. And one thing is cool about those is that I'm gonna do the double ninja star. Bye. Goodbye.